when he gets it off his chest. Hey! Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. While you blow separate to light your fag, smile, boys, that's the style. What's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. Oh, pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Private Perks went a-marching into Flanders with his smile, his sunny smile. He was loved by the privates and commanders for his smile, his sunny smile. When the throngs of Germans came along with a mighty swing, Perks yelled out, "This little bunch is mine. Keep your heads down, boys, and sing." Hey!
Go on. Ah! Are you serious?
No.
Alright, we got it. We got the shot. We got the shot.